Hi, this is Allison Malika, and on behalf of Apps Events, I want to showcase how students experience a Chromebook, a compatible Chromebook, on a managed device with Android in regards to Android apps. This is a relatively new program. It's in beta mode. Many admins are confused about it, and I just went through the steps to setting it up in your admin panel. You just go and enable Android under the Chrome management settings. You shop for apps and you add them, and then you configure them the way that you want them to. And then the students will see them the way that they're configured. If you missed the last video and you just want to catch up real quick, Android apps are available on Chromebooks now. You need a Chromebook compatible device and running Chrome OS 53 or higher. If you want to use apps like Explain Everything and Tastic, it's ideal to have the Flipbook touchscreen. And just to let you know that it's an ongoing project. It's in beta form. Beta means it's still being developed, but you can try it out and use it. It's ready to rock. I encourage you to do that, in fact, if you have compatible devices. And then be on the lookout for advanced devices coming this year. This is an example of the Acer Pin 11 that comes with its own stylus, and it has the camera in the keyboard and on the screen, so you can flip it and run it in full tablet mode. And this one just happens to be super rugged and spill resistant and germ resistant. So there'll be other ones. This one is the one I've got my eye on. I like the Acer product when it comes to Chromebooks, so that's my go-to product. If you have a number of Chromebooks and you think they're not, or you find out they're not compatible, or they're older and you're looking to level up, there is a program. It's through Clover Wireless where you can check out their Chrome buyback program. Maybe get credit toward your next Chromebook order. So if you've already set up your admin domain and you want to see what it looks like from a user experience, I'm on the Acer R11 right now, and I'm logged in as Cameron, the student, not the admin, but Cameron. And I click on the play icon here and open it up, and I've got this beautiful list of apps I can choose from. And if you use this program after a while, it'll probably be a pretty big app. If you're an admin, you can set up app availability based on organizational unit. So this would be, let's say, for a K5 student or K8 student, and you might have a different selection of apps for high school or just middle school students. So you can set the store up so it's configured that way as well. For example, I might not have Starfall, which is a early reading program. I wouldn't have that available if a student's in ninth grade. They wouldn't see that as one of the options to open, so it would limit their store. If you click on the link here on the menu to the top left, you can see I'm logged in as Cameron. What's nice, I'll show you the example with the Tastic. Tastic is a app, Android app. It's made by Google. It's a pretty nice story creation app where you can make your own characters or use prefab characters.
Rolling action.
Really great for storytelling and learning parts of a story. Great for creative. You can click here and start a new one. I'll just show you an example. You've got Danny's Camping Adventure, very short story with a beginning, middle, and end. It starts out, they're camping. The problem is that the dog gets into the campfire and, what are we going to do? And then the ending is they go to the spooky town animal hospital and everybody lives happily ever after. But you can see that we've got a hand-drawn dog. You can see clearly that's a dog. And this is the dog's owner. And there's the fire and the owner is sleeping and the dog is curious about the food that's in the pot and gets burned. And, well, I don't have to go through that with you, but you can see it's a pretty cool app. And using the touch screen and hand drawing your characters, you can create this story. You can use Explain Everything. You can use Soundtrap, WeVideo. So really any Android app that you can find in the Play Store. And that's really all there is to it. So I encourage you to look for compatible devices. Try it out. If you don't have the ability to, if you have a compatible device and you don't have your ability to have your admin or you can't enable Google Play to run it in the managed scope, you can always use your Gmail account. because in Gmail, in settings, there's a way for you to go into your settings and then accept the Play Store to run the Android apps yourself. So whether you're a Gmail or a managed user, you'll have the ability to use the Android apps on your device. So enjoy that. Be on the lookout for things to really level up. This is a great way to have a best possible user experience with, your laptop, the internet, your devices, your camera, your video creation tool, everything you need all in one product, and there's durable to boot. So I think we're going to see an improved experience through this. Remember, it's in beta form, but it's ready to go. So I encourage you to use it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.